All right. Gause Garage coming to you from the Chrysler Nationals, 2023, Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Here you've got a deep maroon Hemi Roadrunner 4-speed. And take a look at that paint, folks. It is sweet. And in the sun, it just pops. And what you're looking at is a real deal Hemi with the correct radiator, correct hosing. You can see the 73 and the 3, that's 4-speed. Very faithfully done. The level of restoration is incredible. All the bright bits look beautiful. Medallions are in the seats. Wonderful wood grain sport steering wheel with the wood knobbed 4-speed handle. And moving back, you can see window sticker. Straight, flawless paint. Magnum 500s with the correct red lines. And of course, like any 68, it has the round tail light markers. All the bezels and bumpers are beautiful. And you can see the cover on the on the spare wheel rather, and take a look at that detail. This is one of the nicer Roadrunners up in the lineup. And we'll quickly take a look at the lineup. As you can see, there's a ton of Roadrunners up there, and this is one of the nicest in the line. So there you go, Hemi 4-speed Roadrunner fans. Dark maroon, 68 Hemi Roadrunner. Doesn't get much better than that. This is Gause Garage, Chrysler Nationals, Carlisle, Pennsylvania. Thank you.